Hey, reminder, Valentine's Day is less than 2 days away, and you know you can never go wrong with a cute card. But if you add a little splash of science, you'll really be onto something then. Let's head to the Mad Science Lab for our Friday finale.
Yes, thank you so much for having us. We are the dogs of science. Really happy?
Woof woof.
Woof woof. What's happening? What's happening this weekend?
My birthday.
Of course it's your birthday. I knew that. You told me before. Pretty cool.
Okay. I guess the joke's a cliche now.
No.
But Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day as well. So check this out. For Valentine's Day, we're writing secret messages. Here you go. I've got a special kind of paper. I like to call it goldenrod paper. The reason I call it goldenrod paper is that's its name. Okay. So go ahead and take the candle and write your message on there. All right.
Got it.
Yeah. Go ahead. Okay, now, if you want to use a birthday candle like this, it probably won't work as well. You need a really good, bigger candle like that, okay? And then write your message on there. We're going to do something to make it appear. Now, goldenrod paper has a special dye in it, which is an acid or base indicator. And then we're going to use an acid or a base to see what it might indicate for us, okay?
Ooh.
So I'm writing a message here myself, maybe. I don't know if I got it right, but I'm going to try.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, so we've got some things here. We've got a baking soda solution. I'm going to use that. That's just baking soda and water. We've got ammonia there.
What's that?
And that's ammonia. I set it in front of that. Okay, now this is very strong. So what I want you to do is take one of these Q-tips, okay? And we're going to dip it in our solution. Go ahead and dip it in your solution. And then we're going to paint this and see what happens. Okay, so here we go. Just like that. Okay, so there we go. So there's my message for Valentine's Day. Look at that. See,
What does it say? Oh, nice.
So see, it turns red for Valentine's Day on the paper. And if I had really written something here, then we would be able to say what I wrote.
Oh, I mean, as you can see for mine.
What did you write?
Love. Also, it's my birthday.
It's my birthday. Okay? So if you can get goldenrod paper, okay? Yeah, it's a little bit strong, isn't it? See, you knew it was ammonia. Then you can test different things in your house like baking soda or the really strong ammonia.
I advise not doing this one.
Yeah.
Although this one's cool because it will disappear after it evaporates.
It will. That one will disappear when it evaporates. This one will stay here the whole time. How cool is that? Now, here's the thing. We are going to, at spring break, we're going to have spring break camps.
Ooh.
In our spring break camps, we're going to have something called Eureka. And Eureka is all about inventions. And it's about ideas like this where we can send secret messages. It's going to be all kinds of fun.
Nice.
How in the world can kids at home figure out how to find out about spring break camps?
Well, watching our YouTube videos because we talk about them.
Yes.
Or going to our Facebook and website.
Right. Dogs of Science on YouTube, Mad Science Oklahoma or OKC on our Facebook and website. Find out all about it. We look so forward to seeing you there. Thanks for having us here on Live in Oklahoma. Love hanging out with you guys every time. Back to you. Woof woof.
We'll be back again next Monday around 10:45 a.m. with another Mad Science Monday experiment. Remember to set your DVR so you can do the experiments with your family. And you can visit OKCMadScience.org for more STEM fun.